Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Rejected. Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected. Order rejected.
I want to see displacement above these stops here. I want to see displacement. New 5-minute candle just open. I want to see a displacement with this area here. See if we can get it. We are doing the macro, so macro hunts inefficiencies and liquidity. We got some smooth highs right here. We got this imbalance here. So I want to see him get through that. Just like that. I want to see us keep going. I like that there. We got a 15-minute fair value gap that's resting like above here, so I believe price can get there. So let's see. We got a 15-minute fair value gap on NQ as well. I believe they'll tap into. So if we can tap into that, we should be able to tap into this on ES. So I'm watching it on NQ on my phone right now. I don't know if you can see the chart, but I'm watching it on my screen. So if price trades into that, I'm looking for ES to do some type of move higher as well. So let's see if we can get a reach up into it. Got the full rebalancement of this entire gap with this candle here. Yep. We didn't close it. We wicked it. We didn't get like a full body closure above it. So I don't want to see that become SMT. Those highs look too smooth for us not to target. Want to see what NQ does here. Expecting to run higher on NQ. I want to see price get above these consecutive down close candles on the 1 minute. Soon as NQ gets inside its that 15-minute bearish fair value gap, I'm going to take my profits because I don't want it to be an SMT. I don't want to sit through that. If we reach up into it, we close to it. So as NQ goes, ES should follow. I don't know if you can see that, but NQ's almost there. Can you see it? We're almost about right there. We just tapped into it, so I want to see what they do with this. Hold on. If we can close above, if we get a solid closure above these candles, then I'm good. If not, then we'll just thug it out and wait. But I want to see a solid closure, just like that. That becomes your bullish order block, which should send price higher. That should send price higher, so let's see. We came into the consequent encroachment of it already. We'll see. We didn't create a wick just yet, so should get something to the upside. I think the draw on liquidity is the London highs. So I want to see us get a little bit more momentum out of this area. Maybe like once here, and then maybe like one more at the time, maybe two more times after this. So I want to see this PDA rate being used like once or twice, 3 times at max or minimum. Got the full rebalancement of that range there. Yeah, the drawn liquidity is higher in my opinion, but we'll have to see what they do inside this gap. Here, I may want to take it. I do gotta see if we can get there. If not, then I'm willing to take my profits and call it a day. Got the full rebalancement of that there, so if price gets below, I'm calling it, taking profits. But we'll see. Got a 1 minute bullish fair value gap right there. So if that fails, then yep, that was it. So we got 2 PDA arrays right here. Bullish order block, 1 minute bullish fair value gap, should send price higher. So let's see. 10-13 macros over with. I want to see some type of expansion move from here. We've been here for a little minute, especially if NQ is going to continue to trade higher. Those look too smooth for them to leave behind, but I wouldn't be surprised, I guess. All right, the new 5 minute candle about to open up on ES and NQ. I want to see with the next 5 minute candle, I want to see them displace higher. I don't want to see them retrace. Look at the wick. See, the bodies are closing outside of the gap. That's just one so far though, but let's see what this candle does here. We didn't tap into it just yet. I want to see what NQ does here. NQ looking like it wants to take off, but I don't really want to see any retracements right here. So NQ's on the move, so I'm expecting ES to do the same. I want to see ES get to these smooth highs. I want to see like a jolt. We may not get that, but we'll see. The drawn liquidity looks higher. It looks like they want to continue to take price higher. So let's see what they do here. On NQ, we closed above the previous down close candle, which is your bullish order block on NQ as well. So that should send us higher. We tap into that 1 minute bullish fair value gap once more. Once, two more times, like I said, 1, 2, 3. On this stab here, I want to see price start delivering. It can hang around that area, but I'd rather it don't. I'd rather not see that. I'd rather see them close it above these consecutive down close candles, which would become your another order block. So we didn't get there just yet. I want to see a price run now. We wicked it. We didn't close above this order block below. So I want to see if we close above this one here. And just like that, we got the closure above those two consecutive down close candles. So this should send price higher. At least take out those highs there. If we could take out those highs, that'd be good. I want to see like a spring, like a spring, like aggressive buying here. I'm targeting the 14.95 mark, so I can try to pass this at least in 2 days. So this becomes your order block as well. So we got one PD array, two PD arrays right there. So let's see. One order block, two order blocks. We got the one bullish fair value gap. So if these fail, that means my stop loss is next, which I wouldn't let it get there, but I really don't want to be part of any retracements. I just want to see them get there. But you see how tight we are? We're like squeezing price. So I would want to see like in a what is the fuck? I'm stuttering. My bad. Ejection, like an ejection, like when you inject somebody. I want to see something like like that. Put in more equal highs right there. I like that. Testing that order block again. So we got more equal highs, these highs here and these highs here. So I would consider this relatively equal. Relatively equal highs. Testing that second order block. As you can see with that candle right there. So let's see what we do with this candle. They're just holding price right there. I don't really like that. We should have been used those PD arrays to trade higher, in my opinion. But we'll see. If we get a closure, then I'm out. Yeah, I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out. I don't like that. I don't like how we close below that. Even though we still may push higher, I'll wait. I can find some. I can get to the 1500 mark. matter, regardless of the matter. So I didn't like how they closed it below these consecutive down close candles, but it looks like they may want to get there now, which would be unfortunate for me. So we'll have to find something else. I'll go to NQ. MNQ. The draw looks like it's here on NQ. We'll just do this high here. We also got this gap here. Oh, damn, ES probably got there too. Let me see, did ES get there? Man, we just about reached it, bro. Fuck, I should have waited. But we're okay. So I want to see what NQ does here. I want to see a run up. I like that there on NQ. And we may get that pop I was talking about. Do we get a closure above? We did. All right.
Order filled.
Should send price higher.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right. So that should send price. We should go higher from here. We got the high right there actually. So, oh, we had this gap there. I did not see that actually. I actually didn't see this gap here. So let's see.
Order filled. Order filled.
Consequent encroachment of this gap here. Looking at, so. They didn't feel me.
Order filled.
All right, there we go, just like that. So this is day one of me trying to pass my funded account again. Try to pass it in like 2 days, but it was 52 minutes long. I may just upload this whole entire recording for the most part.